Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, Casual Chef pork and veggie stir fry with noodles. The morning mise en place, just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Heating up some oil in the wok. I add the onion and start to stir fry. And then I add the garlic and stir fry for about 30 seconds. Then I add the carrots and the Thai chili and continue to stir fry. I push the vegetables to the side and add the pork. Then after the pork is cooked, I add the peppers. Then I add the peas. And then I add the sauce and stir to combine. Then I add the noodles and stir to combine. Here's the finished stir fry in the wok. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the show. Have fun cooking.